So she can sit on this perch here as well. And the door's open so she can fly out from there into the big aviary out there. It's 10 degrees today, so not very cold, but I wouldn't leave it out there obviously. She really loves it in there, and she knows that she can fly through this door here and land on there, and then she sometimes flies up there, and look, she started to chew up the house. We just missed the flying. Scarlet! Get a look at Scarlet! Come on! 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 Come in! Probably trying to make herself more comfortable to get closer to the branch. They're very intelligent there, so she's probably going to do is sit on that perch there so she can fly into this one here. Come on, Scarlet! Come on then. I think I should leave this perch here for her. So she got something to land onto so she gets her bedding and get her confidence. Don't forget she's still a little baby, guys. Best thing to do with them is to have a lot of patience and let them do it in their own time, because they can get a really bad experience and they won't do it again. See all my doves. She is loud. That's her saying, come on. Come on, Scarlet. Come on. I fed her about 45 minutes ago, and after she has a feed, I noticed she always likes to chill out a little bit, like go in a little sleep. Come on, Scarlet. Hey, come on, you can do it. Come on. She's too busy playing. Come on then. When they're young, they always can fly up or fly across, but it's always difficult for them to descend from high to the low. Once they master it, they'll do it all the time. So all birds, when it's descending time, they need a little bit more practice, a little bit more courage. Come on, Scarlet. Come on, baby. Come on. Come on. Come on. She wants me to go up there and pick her up, but I'm not going to do that today, because then she'll know. She don't have to fly. I'll go to her. Today I'm going to teach her. Now when I call her, pardon me, she has to come. You can see she's flying back and forth from perch to perch, trying to make herself a little bit more comfortable. And once she masters it once, it just becomes easier every time. She's going to eat some fruit. Well guys, I love this aviary and I just can't wait for the summer when the weather's going to be really nice. It's going to look completely different and the bird's got a lot of space. They love chewing a lot of stuff up, guys, so I'm just going to show you what Scarlet has done to a part of my roof fascia. So she climbs that branch, then you can see she starts chewing it all up. So the wife is not going to be very happy with that. So what I'm going to have to do, I'm going to have to put some mesh on there so she can't get to it. And just by there, we have the pheasants. And up by there, we have the dovecot with the games room, and there's the park. And there, this garden is completely alive when it's summer, guys. When it's summer, it's something different. Behind there I got a pond, so if you look at my other videos you'll see some more pictures of my garden. But it's been winter, the leaves are all coming off the trees. By 4:30 PM it gets dark, gloomy, but the weather is nice today. When I give Scarlet a little shower, I was visiting this area here, she loves it, and as you can see her feathers are absolutely stunning, gorgeous. And look at that gorgeous long tail. He's got a little bit more to grow. So guys, make sure to like and subscribe to the channel. If you have any questions, put it down below in the comment. I'll do my best to answer it. And thank you so much for watching. Hey, why didn't you come? Come on. You coming or? Come on. Like I said, she's not very good at descending. Come on, you can do it. Come on, come on, come on, come on, come on, come on. Oh, you can see she's really, really trying. Come on. Come on, Scarlet. Yay! Good girl. Excellent job. Excellent job. There you go, see guys? That's the first jump she done from there. And it's just going to get better and better from there. Thank you. High five. Good girl. Yeah, you can have a little treat.